And Bordeaux's not so bad. Not so bad. Is it, Geoffrey?
Ma'am.
And then by the way, problems, huh?
It's Vivian. I don't know what's Absolutely. Thank you.
Have you done something different with your hair?
Yes. Hey.
Hair.
Yes.
Okay, I'm hawking candy bars. They're only $5.
I was talking to Will.
Hey, G, did you bring the mail in yet?
No. I've calmed myself.
You know, you really need a woman, G.
What's a woman?
What's going on in here?
Quiet, Geoffrey, you're dead.
Then you couldn't possibly feel me do this.
Ow!
Monique. I couldn't do that.
Why should I be invited to suck?
Geoffrey, we would love for you to come.
I'll have to check my cock.
Oh, yeah.
I really don't understand.
Miss Hillary in the kitchen? Master William? Of all the revolver. The
Get it! Looking at me like it was lunchtime. Wasn't he, Geoffrey? Yes.